Hey everybody, it's Neil. Check out what we have here. We have a little confetti party, and these are little streamers that you can throw out, and it'll put streamers everywhere. So we're gonna try one of these here in the house and see how it goes. So it looks like it comes with like 9 of them or 10 of them or something. But here, let's try it. Let's see. Let's try this one here. So this is what it looks like here, and we've got the instructions on the back there of how to do it. Should be pretty straightforward. It looks like we hold it on our hand like this. We rip the bottom paper of the streamer, and then hold the streamer popper in your hand and then throw it and toss it at a 45-degree angle. I'll do it in my right hand. I'm right-handed. So I guess we rip the paper on here, and this will show all our streamers. So look at that. We have 1 million of these little streamers in there. So I'm going to get one shot at this to show you guys. I guess I have a bunch of shots, but I'll show you guys what it does here. So let me do it here. I'll back up, and we will try it out. So this is, I already got one that fell out. Okay, so like if you were at a wedding or something like that, and you could just throw it and you go, hey, woo! And then you get all the streamers come flying out. And what's cool about it is you see they all come out and they stay stuck on this. So then, look at this. These are huge. These are long. These are probably 20 feet long or something, or longer. So once it's done, you throw it all out, and then you can pull it back in again, and that's it. So you don't make a mess. So look at that. These are hugely long. These are great. These are awesome. So you have a huge long streamer, and so if everyone's standing around, they're putting them over somebody or something like that, they'll just throw them out there, and then there'll be a huge amount of streamers out there, and then you can easily clean it up without it getting everywhere. So super cool. I like these. These are fun. So next time I have my party, I am going to have these. So look at that. It's already cleaned up. Didn't you think like when I do throw a streamer, it's just going to be everywhere? And look, there's still some here on here. A little bit more length, but for the most part, it got out there. These are great. These are fun. So I got a bunch more. These are going to be awesome. Thumbs up.